Hi! Team Summerfall Stories! For today's vlog. Day off natin ngayon guys. Day off natin ngayon guys. Di ko alam kung naririnig niya ako. Hello, mic test. Charot. For today's vlog, delivery girl tayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo kay Ate Dina Arellano Caligner. Also known as Caligner Fam sa YouTube. Subscribe niyo po sila. Kanilang YouTube channel ay Caligner Fam. Shout out Caligner Fam. So delivery girl tayo for today's vlog kasi nag-order siya ng Shein items. Kasabay ng items ko na in-order para sa shop namin. Kaya isinabay ko na yung kanya. Ito yung kanya. Ayan. Isang bagelya. Susugod tayo ngayon sa Caligner Farm Residences. Siyempre, hindi ko na binidyohan yung paglalakad ko. Diba? Nandito na tayo sa building ni Caligner Farm. Building niya to eh. Mayaman siya. Special delivery po. Ay, ang ganda naman ng t-shirt mo.
Splash.
Aling ka dyan?
All of the above.
All of the... Excited ka. Hintayin mo yung dalaga mo.
Ano, sharp. Ang dito naman ang sharp.
Ano ba yung na-expect mo?
Ganun.
Ano ba size?
Pang photo.
Ano yung na-expect mo na size ng... Ay, inisip ko nga, ano ba to? Bakit may panty liner?
Hindi, pag pala hindi kang pawisan yung ano. Try ko lang naman.
Sweat absorb.
Oh, pero dapat ano siya mahaba.
Napkin na nga lang ilagay mo. Baby!
May baby na ako.
Baby!
Look.
Congratulations for your second baby.
Ang baby stuff. Yung mga order ko first.
Oh, mga mare, buntis na ulit po si Ate Dina, Caligner Farm.
Oh.
Second baby.
Please, kala ko pang winter to.
Wala na winter, eh, summer ngayon.
Ang anak yung winter.
Ah, makikita natin pag binuksan mamaya.
Oh, ito.
Ah, baby niya talaga. Nanganak ka na.
Cute! I have baby! She's there. Hindi naman lang, hindi siya maano.
Mainit nga akong ganito eh.
Kaya nga, taglamig naman yung 4 to 3 months. Lumalaki na siya dapat after mga 3 months.
Mabilis lang yan.
Ito. Cutie.
Polyester pala to.
Init ko ito. Malamig.
Malamig sa malamig. Mainit sa mainit. Ganun lang na yung style. Ang maganda. Stretchy. Ang cute! Naku, ano ba yan? Yung sa age natin na ganito, tapos magkakaroon pa tayo ng baby. Parang ang ano na.
Ito naman.
Parang nakakaano na siya.
Bib ba ito? Ay, isang set.
Baby cow and slogan graphic swaddling blanket and one-piece newborn hat. Blanket with hat.
Ayan.
Anong bib? Anong bib ka dyan?
May bib. Ito, walang bib. Swaddle. Swaddle ba daw?
Swaddling blanket. Okay na ba yan?
Swaddle nga yung nandito yung baby.
Tapos, hindi kami kasi gumamit ng ganyan eh.
Saan pa? Alam ko dito pa Tapos, dito talaga din si baby.
Pag matutulog siya,
Hindi, di ba pag parang hindi nagkakalmot. Di ba ang baby ginagawa?
tinatali ba yun? Hindi namin tinatali ang baby.
Sagbal pa. Kaya nilalagay lang yun.
Nilalagyan lang namin ng mittens.
Oh, may pwede rin.
Ano naman to?
Ang laks ko.
Oo, dito yan.
Bye.
Next, unboxing. Shein haul. Cute. Good luck.
8 months.
Ito ba yung ginawa?
Ano?
Anong liit?
Maganda yung material.
Parang papel.
Maganda dyan. Dito, parang shiny yung, parang iba yung kulay. Bagay kasi sabi na 8. Pero pwede siyang pang...
Ang cute. Ang liit.
Pero kasi yan. 3 to 6 months. Kasama
3 to 6 months? Ang liit.
Kasi dress nga lang siya. What else? Hindi ko na bubuksan.
Ano to?
Yun yung pang, ano siya, pang monthly, di ba may mga
Ayan, yung sticker.
Sticker ba ito?
Sticker and photography prop.
Tapos ito yung...
Baby milestone. Magkano yan? 890 feels. Tapos yan. Ano yan? Hello world. Ano naman to?
Yun na.
Sticker din ba to?
Hindi parang... Ganyan lang. Ay,
Pants ni kuya.
akala na ano nalagay dyan?
I know I just ate earlier, but I feel so hungry right now.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
But you want sandwich?
No.
What do you want?
You want to go out?
Wow, I'm so happy!
Bro, you're so dramatic. Why you're so dramatic?
Sige na, sige na.
I don't know what.
So, what, which one is it? Did you already?
I don't know what this.
Open it.
You're the one who ordered that, diba? This one, oh.
Yeah.
Okay na, check.
Wow. Reminds me of something in school. You don't even know. I don't even know why.
You want that? Like it? This is
Yeah.
the one you order? Yeah.
You want to go out?
I'm hungry.
Ah, you want to go?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
I'll put in the box na. Check this. What is this?
Magic.
Pen?
Never knew that.
Wala yung in-order niya na isa, kaya yan ang pinaka-pero. Hindi ko na yan chinerge sa inyo.
But that's okay. I actually.
Ito yung wala. This one is not available. That's why I ordered this. But it's free,
This one.
free for you. The ombre.
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 Ombre ba ito?
Ombre.
Ombre. What is this?
Can you stop picking stuff out before I do something? Before you're like,
What's nga? Oh.
you never like steal this already.
Ready stuff.
You need to open it.
Okay.
On the one.
See, cutie. Oh.
Eh, ayun ito. Ang dami.
Oh, yeah. I open your pants.
Dapat na piraso yun nandun.
Oo.
I'm not giving that to anybody.
Why are you defensive?
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. One time I had paper and everybody was like, can you please give me
Ano nga
paper?
ito? Ata, place.
Parang ako'y nag-enjoy dito sa pen niya. See, your pen.
Nice.
Congratulations!
Oh, thank you, tita.
Your cat. You like cats?
Oh, di ka anak naman.
Yes.
Dogs. How about dogs? Yan ay medium.
Totally didn't ready.
36 to 36. Gosh, sakto naman ah. Mukha lang siyang malaki. Ganyan talaga style niyan. Parang sinalo yung ano mo. Buong paa mo. Ito wala to.
Move them and keep them in the bag.
Ito yung
Wala
wala.
sinabi mo yan, di ba?
Yes, I want to get out of the way.
Tsaka ito yung wala.
You don't see me. Wala na magugustuhan ni Edward.
Kasya ba
I
yan?
need to get something cool.
Parang ganyan din yung pantalon ko.
You know what's this? Uy, convenient mo na sa akin. Lahat ng ayaw ko sa akin.
Napkin.
Oh!
For under.
Make video na.
For underarm. So, kakain kami sa labas, guys. Pero yung kadate namin, ang tagal. Ang tagal. Nag-count pa. Ang tagal ng dalaga namin.
A few moments later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
to fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until